Hey Spices! It is so cold outside, it has been snowing all day, which means I need to make something warming and comforting. So in today's video, we are going to be making ham and potato chowder in the Instant Pot. We're going to be using my leftover ham from the holidays. It is one of my favorite soups. My kids will get bowls and bowls full of this soup. It is so good. So let's go spice things up. The first thing I'm going to do is press the saute button. And now to the pot, I'm going to add 3 strips of bacon that I already cut up, and 1 medium-sized onion that I already chopped up, and then 1 teaspoon of minced dash, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then crush up some pepper, and then stir it up until the onions are translucent. To the pot, we are going to add 6 cups of chicken broth. And then I like to kind of stir it to get all the remnants from the bottom of the pan. Okay, so now 2 cups of ham, and these are already chopped up. This is leftover ham that I had from the holidays. And then about 6 medium-sized potatoes, and I already cut these up as well. And then just submerge all your potatoes. You can always do more potatoes if you like. You just want to make sure the broth covers all the potatoes. I kind of like a lot of potatoes, so I add usually about 7. And now I'm going to add the lid and make sure it is on sealing, which is right here. And now if you can remember, it was on saute. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to press the manual. And we are going to cook it for 12 minutes, and luckily it is on 12. And we are going to let it naturally release for 10 minutes. So we'll come back after it's been naturally releasing for 10 minutes. All right, so it has been naturally releasing for 10 minutes. So now we're going to release the valve. Time to open it up. All right, to the pot, we are going to add a 16-ounce container of sour cream. And then stir it till the sour cream melts. Now I'm going to add 2 heaping cups of cheddar cheese. This is sharp cheddar. And the reason why I added the sour cream first, so it kind of cools down the liquid so your cheese will not scorch. So just add that to the pot as well, and then stir that till the cheese melts. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to the pot. Now if you do not have heavy whipping cream, you can always do 1 cup of milk mixed with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, and then some more crushed pepper. Give it a good stir. And so once your chowder is heated all the way through, it is done and you are ready to eat. All right guys, here it is. It smells so good. Your house is gonna smell really good after this. So let's give it a try. A little bit of ham and some potato. So much flavor in here. The potatoes are cooked perfectly. The ham is amazing. I might have to try it a little bit more to make sure it tastes good. It is so good and it's warming me already. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you'd like to see any more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.